Welcome back guys. And in your mobile, if you are facing lagging issues, hanging issues, touch sensitivity, touch is not working properly, if you are touching somewhere and it is opening after some time, so in that case I'm going to quickly tell you 2-3 settings which you need to do before going to repair shop. I think you need not to go to the repair shop, your problem will get solved. So not wasting much of your time, if you are new to channel, please consider to subscribe this channel after watching this video and if you like the video. So what you need to do, go to the setting and just search for touch, and here touch sensitivity, any mobile, you just go to the setting and search touch, and touch, just turn it on. After that you will feel a tremendous difference in your touch working. And the second setting what I wanted to tell you, go to this here and just search for animation, and here remove animation, just turn it on. So if you do these two settings and after that you just test your touch screen for lagging or hanging issues, and I believe that you will not find this problem anymore. So if you like the video, please consider to share this with your family and friends and social media platform. So thank you very much.